As this is a new account, the first thing that we need to do is set up our network. To get started, we'll create a router. For this, I'm going to use a router named NetRouter. This router will serve for our L3 topology that we are using in our applications within our project. To use our router with our public network, we have to associate it with that. And so we'll associate a public network with it that's called public net. The next thing to do is to create a network. In my case, I'm going to create it using net network, and then a subnet called net subnet. Now, a subnet can use any RFC 1918 private address space. In my case, I'm using a 10-dot network. Now that the router is created and the network is ready for use, we're going to connect the subnet to the router. Now that the network is set up, the router is online, and everything is connected, we'll click the network topology page to visualize the network to verify that everything is ready for our application usage.